Hello guys, my name is Satyendra Punia. I'm the new content creator. Look, my channel is 4 or 5 month old, so I can. But look, this is 2026, so I am making this content creation journey is regularly because I know this is the niche. Okay, this is the very important niche. So everyone should at least try once. Okay, either look, you just need only a smartphone. Okay, you just need a smartphone and some basic skill, whatever your talent. Then you can editing, you can make a thumbnail, and you can, if you just do a proper SEO and just upload the video, and I'm damn sure that one day your channel will get monetized. Okay, so at least do, if you are 80s and 20s, do it your own house, and then just leave the house, and wherever you are, just job. Look, every day you can easily get through 1 hour, half an hour. Okay, it's not a very big rocket science that you need a very more much time. Yes, if you are making a very quality content, I mean, if you are making AI video, very good thumbnail, very great, a proper SEO, I mean, and look, all the rumor just get through your mind that only code channel will monetize people who are good upbringing, people are wealthy, people are have so much connection. No, it's just a misconception. Okay, it's all this misconception. I know many people are today is taking about Vaibhav Suryavanshi example. Okay, I know. Look, guys, you are a kid. You are just a kid. Many people are taking give his example that now Vaibhav Suryavanshi is 15 years old. Look, guys, this is all just, you will understand in one day. Okay, you will understand in one day. Just when you will in your 25 and 20, then you can easily see that this is the all the system. Okay, this is all the system that if people show a big fish, then all the little fish will die. Okay, look at this neat UGC scam. Okay, 90 lakh student. Okay, and look, this is not a one case. In a last 10 years, over 100 paper leak. Okay, over 100 paper leak, and now you are all seeing example Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Oh, okay, this is all just one day you will understand easily. I will not talk this thing right now because this is the not the time that I really should talk about it. But one thing I'm telling you, just keep moving on, just keep moving on, and just make your proper aim. Okay, make just your proper aim, and this is all the thing you will understand. Look, just see your house first. Okay, just see your house first. Okay, then see your relatives and all your I mean school teacher. Just look at them. Okay, first look at them very carefully, and then tell me that how many your teacher, your parents, your relatives tell the truth. Okay, tell you the truth. Okay, this game is like this. Okay, this game, look, life is a very simple look. This is the my channel is all about that solve your life problem, solve that you can solve your daily basis, because this is the thing no coaching, no school, no college will tell you. No school, no college, this is all the thing you will get your experience. Okay, this is all the thing you will, and look, your experience will make your life heaven. Okay, all your experience is, so how much you just gain the experience, this is the key your success. How much you have experience, this is your bank balance. Okay, how much you know the people, know the society, know this world, this is the key of your घर, bungalow, car, Mercedes, I mean how much you are experienced. As much as you gain the knowledge and experience, this is the key. Your bank balance, bungalow, Mercedes, your success, your wife, everything. That how much you have experienced. Okay. In a society, in UN, you will just see that someone is marrying and someone is not marrying. Look, the men who are not marrying, who exactly know what will the consequences this marrying. Okay, you can easily manipulate it. This is the time, this is the actual real time. Now the world war is, and look, don't just think this world war is happening, I mean, over 20 years. I mean, when I was child, I'm hearing to this thing that now world war is coming, now this world war is coming, world war. But now I know all this the thing. Okay, now I know the actual reality. Okay, because I have gone through all the experience actually. Okay, so yes, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please tell me in comment section so what I can make a more content. And look guys, every day I'm just making just complaint. And look, now I have only 25 subscribers, but I am looking very forward ahead to you. Okay, thank you very much.